close calls during one short ride, it's clear that this biker's patience is being tested.
Bă, ce în pere tău? Ești tâmpit, bă, dă-te în gâții, mă, e de prost. Ia uite, bă, că ții gura ta. Stai, fă, stai că trec eu, dă-te încăcat de târătură. Ești prost.
There is absolutely nothing worse than the very first ride on your brand new bike ending in a fall.
Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, I wanted to ask you something. Hey, do you know how much it is?
Huh?
Do you know how much it is?
How much is what?
I got pulled over back there. They told me I had to pay a fine, so I stopped you, and I'm like, you know, maybe I could.
Thank you. I hope
It's all right. I'm not trying to hurt you, I promise.
it's okay.
There you go.
Oh, cool.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Come on, man. Light sauce, man. It's nothing. Light sauce, man. It's nothing, man. It's a one-on-one. Easy. Excuse me. I gotta ask you a question. Where you work at?
Where I work at?
Yeah.
Why?
I just want to know.
Why you want to know where I work at?
I mean,
Where you work at?
I'm a photographer.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I could picture me and you together.
Oh, you can picture us together?
Yeah.
I can picture us together.
Oh, for real? Hey, hold on. Let me get this on camera.
The biker, not paying attention to anything, informed the cop and rushed to catch the thief who was trying to escape.
¡Eh, policía! ¡Agárralo, agárralo, 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 agárralo! ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? ¿Cuál es? ¿Cuál es? ¿Este? ¿Este?
Sí, flaco. Yo metí yo a la una con la bici, hermano. Sí, mono. Me chocó, ¿quién me chocó con la moto? ¿Quién me chocó con la moto?
¿Qué hicieron? ¿Qué pasó? Agárralo, agárralo. Correte, correte, amigo. Correte, correte, amigo. Agárralo, agárralo, agárralo. Agárralo a ese. Agárralo. Ahí está, ahí está. Pará, esperá policía. Esperá policía. ¿Qué pasó, loco? ¿Este te afanó? Bueno, aguantalo. Aguantá, loco, ahora te vas a aguantar, loco. Aguantá, tirate al piso, dale. Dale, dale, tirate al piso. Dale. Dale, tirate al piso, al piso. Ahí, ahí, listo, 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 ya está, ya está. Ya está. Ya está, ya está. Ya está, loco, ya está. Ya está, ya está. Aguantalo acá, listo, nadie lo toca, nadie lo toca.
As if the weather was not too much of an obstruction, a driver emerges to test the biker's alertness.
are you doing?
The inexplicable behavior of the drivers totally surprised the biker and forced them to perform a dangerous maneuver.
How you doing?
Explain why I'm pulling you over.
It's probably going too fast.
What fast do you think you're going?
75.
Well, you're way over 75. Way over. Yeah. Well, you came over the top of the knoll edge, you had 100. And then when you started slowing down, they got you locked in at 85.
Oh my god.
So I had you at 110. So you were flying. So do you have a license?
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.